Hey everyone, welcome to TechBase. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to turn off notifications on Mico. So let's get started. Open Mico application, then press the profile icon at the bottom right. Then you'll see the gear icon at the top right. Tap on it. Among all of these options, select notifications option. If any of these are on and you want them to be off, make sure you tap on the toggle button. And this is how you can turn off notifications on Mico. Thanks for watching TechBase. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.